So to represent set, there are two ways. One is set builder form and the other one is called as roster form. When we say roster means we need to list down all the possible elements. So when we are dealing with infinite sets, it is kind of impossible to deal with them. That's why set builder form is also quite significant. When we say set builder form, so set builder form will be rather a condition with which we should be able to get everything which is a part of a set. For example, when I'm talking about set of a vowel, so vowel are generally defined in English language only. So I can say that A is a set of vowel and A, E, I, O, U are the elements. So when I'm listing all the elements, we can call it as a roster form because all are in front. But if I write the same set A in the form of X such that X is a vowel, there is no other condition needed because vowel does not exist in any other language. It is only for English. So everywhere in the world, when you will say na X is a vowel, they will think A, E, I, O, U only. So this condition is sufficient to take us to these elements, and that is why that is called a set builder form, and this is a roster form. Now, when do we use the symbol belongs to? So for example, if I'm talking about A, so I will write that A belongs to set A. Small a is an element which belongs to set A. Similarly, when we were discussing about that question, so over there, we can write that X belongs to all real values because real value is a set except 4. So this is also one of the way to write, and you can definitely write your domain as X such that X is all real numbers and X is not equal to 4. This is also a way to write. Both have same meaning and they are equally right. So you can use anything as per your choice.